from the LGU Laoag City and our stakeholders. It is indeed my pleasure to welcome you all on behalf of SDO Laoag City. Welcome to the groundbreaking ceremony for our library hub. Sir, you made this dream come true. Thank you so much from SDO Laoag City. Today, as we break ground, sir, this is a momentous day for all of us in SDO Laoag City, from all the teachers, students, and all parents. Why? Because this library hub has been our dream for so long. There are so many divisions with library hubs, pero kami po sa Laoag wala pa po. And then, this library hub is not only going to be an archive of materials, sir. This is going to serve as the hub for our literacy programs headed by our schools division superintendent. This is in line with the thrust of DepEd, which is aligned with the thrust and the goals of the President of the Philippines. So in order for us to attain a high level of literacy in Laoag City, sir, this is going to be our hub. And again, thank you so much for making this dream happen. So once again, welcome.